What if I gave you €2 million to spend on your dream property in Europe? Would you choose a historic French chateau with acres of land, or wake up every morning to sea views on Spain's Mediterranean coast? For around €2 million, France can offer something extraordinary. Not just a house, but a piece of history. Imagine owning a chateau surrounded by countryside, where every room tells a story.
Château de liberté, meu coração aprende a voar. Liberdade que nasce do amor, beleza que ensina a ficar. Não há medo neste lugar.
Now, let's head south to Spain. Instead of towers and gardens, imagine opening your doors to this view every single morning. So here's my question for you. If both properties cost roughly the same, which would you buy? The chateau in France or the sea view apartment in Spain? Let me know in the comments. I genuinely want to know which lifestyle you'd choose. Find your dream property today at www.europe.properties.